Welcome to Resort World. Alright, so we are in. Wow, posh. Posh and fancy, I'd say. Like a steakhouse here. Yeah. I didn't read that, I promise, before. There's another entrance. We came by the circus side. Very cool. Kind of looks like a mall. I feel like all these hotels have kind of like a mall feel. Hotels, conference center, famous foods, Genting Place. Look at this. This is so cool. And they've got the, we're gonna go this way. They've got the mini sphere in here. Here's the food court. Very, very cool. Teriyaki bowls. Wow. That sounds good. Texas barbecue. I can get down with some of that. Got all kinds of things in here. A lot of it's closed though. Wednesday night. I get it. There's the sports room. The dog house. I love that. That's cool. How cool is this? That looks like a really cool vibe in there. I saw that earlier and I thought that said 311, like the band 311.